So you have a stock 15 plus WRX, and you've got the body bug for more horsepower, but you don't want to break the bank with going full bolt-ons. This video aims to give you confidence for more horsepower while being budget friendly compared to other full bolt-on setups that can potentially cost thousands of dollars. Before we get too far into the details, I have to throw out some disclaimers some of you guys might not like. So if you don't have ethanol available in your area, this video isn't for you. Also, 300 horsepower is an estimate. Yes, all dynos are different and not all cars make the same power. Lastly, around here we have 93 ethanol, so numbers on 91 could vary, but from what I've seen and talking to a few people that have gone this route, 300 is the ballpark figure. If you haven't done so already, you're going to have to grab a Cobb Accessport. These run about $600 brand new, but through local deals or Facebook groups, used Accessport can be had for about $450. This is your gateway modding tool. Also, this breaks your factory warranty. If that last part wasn't clear, it breaks your factory warranty. Be warned now. Once you install the Accessport, you're officially stage 1, brah. You tapped into a power much greater than yourself, so grab your vape can and get ready to throw out those deuces with extra pride when you see a fellow Subaru owner. Next up, you'll want to grab the Cob Flex Seal Kit. This allows for almost foolproof fueling. This kit runs about $600 new and used for about $450. This step requires a custom tune, so you'll also need to contact a local tuner or an e-tuner. They'll be able to advise you of the tuning process. With the Flex Seal Kit needing to be installed, if you don't have the confidence to install it yourself, a shop can charge up to $250 an hour, give or take. With only the Accessport and the Flex Fuel Kit, you won't need to change out the intake fuel pump, and that's an added plus for the ease of going this route. I know what some of you guys might be thinking. Cobb and the Flex Fuel Kit from Cobb aren't the only tuning options out there, but from my standpoint, if you were to part out down the road, Cobb retains its resale value very well, which is why I've mentioned them exclusively. So that's it, not calculating install and tuner costs, since those can vary shop to shop for labor and tuner to tuner. You're looking at $1,200 for what could be considered V8 power. If you feel comfortable doing the installs yourself, then you can put that money back in your pocket. Have a better way to make more power? Put it in the comments for everyone to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.